Okay, today I'm reviewing Darkstar by Design for the ZX Spectrum. Okay, so as you can see, this is copyright design software. Now you can define the playing keys, which I'm going to do. One, I think I'll have that as 6. What? No, 1 left. O, P, Q, A. To no accelerate, W, decelerate, S, fire, space. Okay, so you can change the game, change the girl format, the game format, sorry. So you can have normal game, so yeah, we will have that one. Change skill factors, fairly easy I'll have for now. Change enemy missiles, slow, fast but inaccurate I'll have. Change sound effects, full sound yes. Change display, pretty graphic mode, I think I'll have on that one. So let's play the game. Now as you can see, this is Darkstar by Design software. Now I can choose, here's a planet. Let's go into the planet. Now as you can see, I'm on the planet. Now, so we got this, some sort of planet right here. I think I've got to go right. So we keep going right. I'm going to try and head for that core there, whatever it is. Oh shit. Here we go. We have some baddies. As you can see, it's wireframe vector graphics. Have some of that. I'm not quite sure what I've got to do. There's like this square here. Shall we go through it? So yeah. So I'm going through all these squares. As you can see, the points are going up at the bottom right, so I must be doing something right. I haven't got a clue what to do. I should have read the instructions really, shouldn't I? Speed up a bit. Oh shit. So we keep going. Try going the other way. I think maybe you've got to get to the core, the centerpiece. So if you keep going this way, we'll start turning now. Whoa, gone too far. Now turn. Okay. Whoa, we're going too fast. Ouch. I'm dead. So, put my name in. Let's try that again, shall we? So there's a planet down there, and planet across there, Going through space. I'm going to try going through this enemy ship. Try going through this right here. That was weird. I'm going to find another one of them. Have some of these. Might try this one here. No, he's gone now. Wait, this. Ah, here we go. Whoa! So go through this tunnel. Try and keep within the squares. As you can see. Nice use of vector graphics. Try and keep within the confines of the squares. I have no idea what's going on. Maybe this is some sort of hyperspace or something. We're near to the end. Okay, that was weird. Right, shoot these baddies. And that's Darkstar on the Spectrum. I have no idea what's going on. But I'm going to give it a 7 out of 10. Goodbye.